In the name of God, hi guys, it's Ferdi. In this video, I'm gonna introduce you to integrals which are very useful for more complicated integral. I recommend you memorize them. Integral of the square root of x and the second one the square root of x, this time in the denominator. I solved both of them. Let's solve the first one. The first step I wrote it the power 4, the power is 1/2, and then I integrate of it by the power rule. The power was raised by 1 and 1/2 plus 1 becomes 3/2 after getting common denominator, and my coefficient is the inverse this new power 2/3. And finally, x to the power of 3/2 was written as x times the square root of x because they are equal together. Now take a look at this one. Integral of the square root of x in the bottom. The power form is as before time. X to the power of 1/2, of course, in the bottom. You can bring it up as a negative power, negative 1/2, and then integrate of it. You have to remove the integral symbol and raise the power by 1. Negative 1/2 plus 1 will be positive 1/2. And finally, you write it in the radical form. The result answer will be to the square root of x plus c. What was my goal for making this video? I'm going to say you memorize the final result for both of integrals. Memorize the final results for both of them. 2/3x, the square root of x plus c for the first one, and 2 the square root of x plus c for the second one. So take a look at this example. This integral is separated to the two integrals. The first one, x over the square root of x dx, and the second one, 4 over the square root of x. The first one is simplified as the square root of x, because the power of the top is 1 and the power of the bottom is really 1/2, which have to subtract them together. And the new power is 1/2, which I show it as the radical form. And in the second one, I put the 4 out in the front of the integral because it is just a constant. And the rest is 1 over the square root of x. Both of integrals are exactly the same which we saw in two above examples. We can use what we learned 2 minutes ago and we wrote the final result directly. 2/3x the root of x for the first integral and 4 times to the square root of x, which is 8, the square root of x for the second integral. Thanks for watching. I'm sure you like my videos. If you did, please click like or subscribe.